Now click the strap into place on the opposite side, either at the bottom of the waist belt or on the back panel. Slip your head and arm through the strap. Place your child in the carrier. Tighten the first strap across your back. Drape the second strap over your shoulder. Flick the second buckle into place under your child's leg, either at the bottom of the waist belt or on the back panel. Grab the straps with the D-rings and pull them from behind in a circular motion towards your baby's bottom to tighten.